Front, the president-elect has also vowed to quickly repeal the Affordable Care Act. But what's he considering some of those key provisions? Julie Watts investigated. What did you find?
Well, there's not a whole lot he can do right away, but it does look like there will be some changes. The president said that more than 100,000 people nationwide signed up for Obamacare plans the day after the election, a sign, according to his team, that it's what the people want. But here in the Golden State, many are wondering if covered California can survive without federal funding and what happens to the plans they're enrolling in right now. Covered California open enrollment is in full swing, and Executive Director Peter Lee seems unfazed by the threat of its pending demise.
There's a lot of unknowns about what's going to happen in Congress with Washington, but 2017, the law's on the books, subsidy will be in place. People should rest assured that their coverage is going to be in good shape throughout the year.
He says coverage and subsidies are protected through at least 2017, and the rates will not change. Rates that increased more than 13% this year, providing fuel to the critics of the Affordable Care Act.
Every single Republican thought Obamacare was a mistake.
Wednesday, Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell doubled down on the president-elect's plan to gut Obamacare, stating it will be a top priority. And California could stand to lose more federal funding than any other state, billions annually, according to a recent study. At the core of Obamacare is federal funding. So how does that impact the future of our state's exchange?
Covered California doesn't receive a penny from the federal government. Rather, money comes to individuals that helps them buy insurance.
Lee explains Covered California operates like a business. It has money in the bank and significant reserves. But like any business, Covered California needs customers to sustain. And the reason customers come is for the federal tax credit, which makes policies purchased through Covered California essentially cheaper than buying them directly from the insurer.
The tax credits that help 90% of those that enrolled are vital to make health care affordable.
And without them, there may be little incentive for customers to use Covered California. Now, Lee declined to speculate on possible alternatives to those federal subsidies, like a ballot measure to fund health care through taxes or fees, or even a single-payer health system here in the state. It is important to note that Republicans plan to repeal and replace Obamacare, and Trump now says he is committed to keeping certain aspects like coverage for pre-existing conditions. Insurers say they are committed to continuous coverage during this transition. Experts say it could take years to iron out these details on a new plan. In the meantime, open enrollment is now underway for 2017.
Okay, how do you openly enroll, and how do you enroll in a program that's completely up in the air?
Well, Peter Lee says that no matter what, if you enroll right now for 2017, those benefits, the current prices, everything stays in place through next year. So you are safe right now for next year. The question is, what will they do in this coming year that will affect future years?
Now, I noticed that he said that Covered California doesn't get any direct money from the feds, but in effect it goes to Julie, and it goes to Maria, and it goes to Phil, and then we pay it.
Right. So what happens
is,
is
cut off, the
Covered
money's
California
gone.
is not cashing that check, right? But I go to Covered, were I to buy a policy on the exchange, I would go to Covered California and not directly to my insurer because I get one of those subsidies. That's federal money. So if I don't go to Covered California to buy my policy, they're not going to get the money they get from my policy, and then they can't fund themselves.
I'm sure we could talk about this all day, right?
I think we will be talking about it, because if the federal subsidies go away, they're going to be looking to the state and the state taxpayers to pick those up, possibly.